Hello guys, just want to show you how to hack the Throne Rush Gems, Gold and Foods. Okay, let's start. First, open the hack. This tool is made by Team Ida. Okay, as you can see, you have 38 gems, 35 coins, and so on. Okay, put your Facebook username, select your device, then connect and wait. Connecting to server. Connecting to your device. Connecting to Facebook. Wait, connected. Oops. Okay. Click